The headlines: JP Nadda elected unopposed as BJP president. Women police officer molested allegedly by Assam Rifles man in Manipur. And 12 political parties in Manipur set to join 10-day nationwide anti-CAA movement. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Jagat Prakash Nadda was elected unopposed as the national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party today, taking over the reins from Amit Shah. Nadda had been appointed the BJP working president last year after Amit Shah's cabinet as home minister. As per media reports, the announcement was made by senior BJP leader Radha Mohan Singh, who is in charge of BJP's organizational election process at the party headquarters in New Delhi. In the evening, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also arrived at the headquarters to felicitate Nadda. The PM described him as a dedicated, disciplined leader known for his affable nature. The BJP had reached a new electoral high under Shah over the last more than 5 years, expanding its footprints across the country. Nadda will take over at a time when the party is facing protests over the Citizenship Amendment Act, National Register of Citizens and National Population Register. JP Nadda's decades-long experience in the organization, starting from student politics, his proximity to the RSS and a clean image are seen as his strengths. As party chief, Nadda would be working closely with BL Santosh, General Secretary, organization, also a choice of Shah, who shares the image of an aggressive doer and a disciplinarian like Shah. A rifleman belonging to 12 Assam Rifles allegedly molested a women's sub-divisional police officer of Manipur Police posted at Yairipok yesterday. As per reports, the incident happened at Khudingthambi checkpost along Imphal More Road when the SDPO along with her team was returning home after an official visit to More bordering Myanmar. At the checkpost, troops of 12 Assam Rifles stopped their vehicle for frisking and checking despite showing their ID cards. One of the Assam Rifles personnel named PK Pandey detained them at the checkpost and later threatened the SDPO and her team, saying they will be detained till midnight for reasons best known to him. The Assam Riflesman also threatened them of dire consequence if the matter was reported to the higher authority. The report also alleged that Rifleman PK Pandey smashed the windshield of the SDPO's vehicle and then physically molested the police officer. When her team tried to intervene, the Assam Riflesman started beating them up and even tried to slap the women police officer on the spot. Following the incident, the SDPO lodged a complaint with the officer in charge of Tengnopal police station yesterday. Communist Party of India Manipur State Council Secretary L. Sotin Kumar has announced that 12 political parties in Manipur will join a 10-day nationwide movement against Citizenship Amendment Act. The movement is being launched by CPI, CPIM, AIFP, RSP, AITC, RPIA, RJSP, JDS, MCP, BBSP. Congress in the state under the aegis of 20 like-minded political parties across the nation to safeguard the Constitution of India, secularism and also against the alleged onslaught of communal forces in the country. Talking to journalists at Irawat Bhavan in Imphal, Sotin Kumar said that the proposed anti-CAA movement will be carried out at various locations across the state beginning tomorrow. Launching an attack against the government, Sotin Kumar accused the centre of misusing power by introducing CAA. He said this act attempts to eliminate ethnic communities of Northeast region and to turn India into a Hindu nation. Sotin Kumar also said that ignoring key issues of unemployment, price rise and labour is unacceptable.
Sugumba Citizenship Amendment Act ase unconstitutional loiba yamna communal loiba jati kharagi miyeng da adu loidana Bharat ki secular policy da singnaba sugumba chauba yamna asoiba adum act amane masina Bharat se mastai da imunai mutanaba yaba adu loidana awang nongpok lamdam gi state singda ekoi leriba Elomi sing mang kibi abagi akiba kaya laiba. Even state asida inner line permit system chatne haiba taragasu. Praja adugumba Afghanistan dagi, Bangladesh dagi, Pakistan dagi, sa kadorbi Hindu Hindu group kaya ama masi laku matamda ekoi citizen se piraba matung tarak padadi yam laina tongan ba adugumba argument kaya ama thamaba kanda ekoi state asidasu adugumba ekoi mitop kayama sangjalakpada madu just regulation gi ngaki apan bakra madu irai laina komtho hon bayaba sangak matamda adugumba abasta kayamana ekoi soidana ekoi Manipur asidasu ekoi yellow missing manki bayaba akibase citizenship amendment ek asina soidana oiragani haibase like-minded political parties in a substantive power.
Director General of Manipur Police, LM Khauti, today inaugurated a barrack for a new dog squad of Manipur Police Department at Lamphilphat opposite 86 Battalion CRPF Officers Mess. Speaking at the event, DGP Khauti said the absence of a dog squad for the police department was problematic for a long time. The top cop added that only 2 dogs had been working for the department. He said considering the increasing need, 4 Belgian Malinos and 8 dog handlers have been procured after a proposal was submitted to the state government.
Training when a dog trainer se hui amada trainer ani se select toraga madu ekoina Bangalore da thaki adu last about 6 months they were undergoing training with the pups aduga pup mayam se hujik se chawre dana aduna hujik se well trained ni moi trainer nipan ne hui marige aduda si le rabani na koi so public si service effectively through canine asi tobangam ni haina hope le.
Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan today stated that students can flourish in life if they choose the right course. He was speaking during the annual day program of SV Getwell School, Hautal Thangjam, Kuno. Titular King of Manipur, Medingu Leshimba Sanajauba, and Assistant Commissioner of Imphal West, Pooja Ilangbam, also attended the event. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan lauded the school for nurturing students for the last 15 years, adding that a good school makes a worthy future of students. Dr. R.K. Ranjan also urged the school authorities, guardians and parents to recognize the best education system in the Northeast, especially in a border state like ours. The MP said that these students will become the future of the state.
Mama mapana humang tana suraga talaga pangaiba paisa do madu aigi iral na thabani haiba yaroyaba magi maral na do zati sigi maral ne wealth of the nation ne aduna aina tangira fatabada tangira afabada tangira madu sina matamda zati gi interest mangda thamgadabneba nation first I say.
Titular King Leshimba Sanajauba stated that students and parents have immense role to play in taking the state forward. Leshimba added that even though students' life is the hardest part of every individual, it is the most important and memorable part of one's life. Leshimba urged the students to work hard to lead a successful life in the future.
Makoydadi yamna waba apa punnaba free oidaba adumba punchi ama dawr makoynadi lawgani ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯊꯟꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯣꯡ ꯊꯥꯡꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯋꯥꯏꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯉꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥ ꯏꯊꯟꯇꯒꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯁꯤꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯖꯥꯇꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯆꯔ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯤ.
Mohammad Nasir, a Rohingya who was imprisoned in Manipur Central Jail, Sajiwa, was released as he completed his jail term. Later, he was formally handed over to Myanmar authorities today. Mohammad Nazir alias Myomyo Nian alias Faraq Ahmed, aged 27 years, son of Muhammad Salim, hails from Kayuk Tau Rakhine of Myanmar. Mohammad Nazir had trespassed the More border without proper documents in 2013. Under the aegis of National Institution for Transforming India, Niti Aayog, the Atal Innovation Mission, in its initiative to promote innovation and entrepreneurship among students, has opened an Atal Tinkering Lab at Peace and Freedom Academy at Thoubal, Haukha today. The lab was opened on the occasion of the Academy's 16th Foundation Day held at the school auditorium. Meritorious students of the Academy were also felicitated to mark the occasion. A district-level orientation cum sensitization program was organized by Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights (MCPCR) in association with National Commission for Protection of Child Rights at Diet Center Hall, Moirang today. The program was held on the theme "The Issue of Stress in Students Due to Examination." MCPCR chairperson Sumati Bala Ningthojam and social scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laishram spoke during the sensitization program. Sumati Bala Ningthojam said that MCPCR was founded under the CPC Act and it works for protecting children's rights. She expressed deep concern over the increasing examination stress-related suicide cases among children.
India is a signatory country among Oibanina. Asimba Angang Section Torangi, Matangasida, India Sumba Commission National Commission for Protection of Child Rights CPCR Act Commission for Protection of Child Rights Act 2005 India National Commission for Protection of Child Rights
Security beefed up across Manipur ahead of Republic Day celebrations. Authorities are leaving no stone unturned to ensure that security remains watertight throughout the state. A combined team of Imphal West District Police, including commando and police personnel from Singjamai Police and Reserve Line, conducted cordon and search operation at Singjamai Oinam Thingel. In the operation, altogether 241 persons, 157 males and 84 females, including 3 insurgents who are currently on bail, were verified. After spot verification, 7 persons were picked up for further verification at Singjamai Police Station. They were later released after proper verification. A team of Imphal West Police also verified occupants of 7 hotels in Pauna Bazar area this morning. No one was picked up or arrested. Judicial Magistrate First Class Bishnupur has granted anticipatory bail to Secretary of Manipur Unit CPI L. Sotin Kumar. This comes after the CPI leader sought anticipatory bail coupled with a prayer for ad interim relief from the court on January 17. Sotin Kumar was released on bail on health ground on January 13. However, due to repeated attempt by Porompat police to re-arrest him, he had sought anticipatory bail. During the anticipatory bail hearing, the counsel submitted that Sotin Kumar has been falsely implicated. The court directed the investigating officer of the case that in the event of arrest of the petitioner, he be released on bail on furnishing of PR bond of Rs 40,000 with one's surety of the amount. Tolchau Ibeton Memorial Academy, Hyangthang conducted a one-day workshop on English speaking challenge and its answers at its conference room today. The workshop mainly discussed issue of teachers on delivering lecture in English language inside the classrooms. A debate was also held as part of the workshop. back, under the supervision and advice of Manipur Chief Minister, an official team of Manipur Minor Irrigation Department today paid an inspection visit to several paddy fields in Khangabok area of Thoubal district for initiating river lift irrigation scheme. The team comprised of Minor Irrigation Thoubal Division, Executive Engineer T.H. Dayanand, Assistant Engineer M. Michael, former Manipur Vice President T.H. Jadumani. Under RLI scheme, several acres of paddy fields will be provided water for irrigation purposes from rivers flowing in the area. 32 Foundation Day of KM Blooming School Khangabok was celebrated today at the school's complex. Khangabok Zilla Parishad member KH Rajmohan, school chairman KH Manjor Mangang, Sangayumpham Zilla Parishad member Muhammad Hifzur Rahman and Assistant Commissioner Thoubal District Dr. Polim Lenin, Pradhan Nominee Khangabok Part 3 M. Manglemjao Pradhan Sangayumpham Part 2 Ramida Begum and KM Blooming School founder KH Thaba attended the event. KH Rajmohan said that students of the present generation should embrace a challenging attitude in the fast-moving society to become successful in life. He commended KM Blooming School for producing meritorious students, saying it is the pride of the state. Meritorious students, Best Student of the Year and founder members were felicitated by presenting simple gifts on the occasion.
Society is Sumaina Dum Yagre. I quit silence of the Yagre. I quit silence of the competition Yagrava. I quit Huskimatum the Puigun Namaroi. Hoskimatum Asadi, society study, Hoski generation study. I quit young Kudimata competition, young Kudimata silence, they have said. I quit Kanadu. Aduna, I quit Tungi generation, Jati Sigi, Apomia Moige, but it's Saba Mia Moige, Miami Samaj, Mia Moige have a target. Firstly,
Republican Party of India Manipur State President Mahesh Thaunawjam today distributed street lamps to members of Nambulakpa Chanura Committee and KNDO during a simple function held at Aribam Mandap, Khagempally, Imphal. The step was taken up considering the problem faced by the residents of Khagempally, Panthak and Pankha of Kaishamthong constituency due to lack of sufficient street lights, Mahesh said.
Politics haraga politics ta aman ama hunaraga politics haibase kaida oiramge na mayana sum thigatnaraga aman ama hunbase politics haibana kauradra haibagi concept leire aduna akoina di sida kaimta changdabida tasengna ai isamaksu RPI gi president ama oina ain haijaningbadi koi gi development room da human resource development room da yari ge koi manipur se koi gi kendra se koi constituency amamam se amta chakhotna ba development room da mai onjelaga hunnabai thabak se toknaraga koi gi pulap unity leina ungtang changjelaga hena mai pakpa koi gi samasama
A 3-day 11th state-level Lauroi Festival 2020 was kicked off today at Hayu Park, Phayeng. The event began with presentation of traditional dance, songs, folk dance and also music from traditional instruments. Chairman of Panthoibi Housing and Finance Company Limited, T.H. Hemo Singh, Chairman of Lokoi Festival, Padmashri L. Nabakishore, Chief of Phayeng Awang Leibung and Toyai Chakpa and Pradhans attended the program.
Konthokjam Kendragi MLA Sri Dr. Sapum Ranjan Yaubiyu na Haijabada Yaubigi Edana Yabirega Ekoi Baton Semjagi Bane Longmi gi Maraibo Haibutuna Insa Haijabado Lomi gi Maraibo Haibutune Engineer Singna Doctor Singla Tawa Chobotabo Ramadi Makoi Minsama Toraga CPS Dabira Ekoi Apikpa Aton Bakanglup Taleva Lomina Torobotabagina Makoi Karim Tazu arrangement Tobidana Pau Baba High Boy, I the boy, Toramaga, Makoi Aruba Tabagle, and a daily the Turkey and the time.
I couldn't Shigumba, Puna, Manipuri, the Horaba, Kamlamiba, Poshak Mayam, I couldn't see no Monomagilakata, among terribly reporters, I couldn't preserve the habit in Singba Toram, I couldn't what Padegi, Tungi Saron Shurona, Kangaktaba, Machina Maramada, Asiana, Swatarpane, I said.
An encounter broke between militants and security forces of Wachi village of Pulwama district in South Kashmir this morning. All three militants hiding in the village were gunned down by the security forces. As per media reports, a joint team of Indian Army, 55 Rashtriya Rifles and Special Group of Jammu and Kashmir Police cordoned the Wachi village early morning today, after specific input was received about presence of 2 to 3 militants in the area. During the cordon and search, militants hiding in a residential house fired at the security forces, which led to an encounter. The Supreme Court today rejected the petition of Pawan Gupta, one of the death row convicts in the 2012 Nirbhaya gang rape case in Delhi, who claimed that he was a juvenile at the time of the offence. As per media reports, while upholding the Delhi High Court verdict, a Supreme Court bench of justices R. Bhanumati, Ashok Bhushan and A.S. Bopana said there was no ground to interfere with the High Court order that rejected Pawan's plea, and his claim was rightly rejected by the trial court too. To be mentioned, convict Gupta moved the top court on last Friday challenging the HC's order dismissing his claim of being a juvenile in December 2012. After refusing to cooperate with the Democratic Party-led impeachment probe in the House of Representatives, President Donald Trump will today offer his first comprehensive defense before his trial begins in earnest in the Senate. According to media reports, Trump, only the fourth of 45 American presidents to face the possibility of being ousted by impeachment, has to meet his written defense within 10:30 p.m. local time today. He is charged with abusing the powers of his office by asking Ukraine to investigate a Democratic political rival, Joe Biden, and obstructing a congressional inquiry into his conduct. Senior administration officials said today's document will offer a more detailed and aggressive defense in arguing that Trump is innocent of the charges and should not be removed from office, as Democrats are demanding, reports informed. Now we have the sports news. UBFC Marcolian team today defeated BBU Barak Circle team by 7-0 in the quarter-final league match of the ongoing first Jyotish Chandra Memorial Invitation Football Tournament 2019-20 held at Jiribam Higher Secondary School. Jiri Police will take on Sunrise Club Kadamtala in the first semi-final match tomorrow, while Sangarbond FA will clash with UBFC Marcolian team in the second semi-final match on January 22nd. The final match will take place on January 27. The tournament is organized by All Jiribam Sports Association from January 3rd. Sidop defeated PIC by 2-1 in the first match of the Under-15 Junior Boys Football League Tournament 2019-20 today. While UKC defeated SWC by 8-2 in the second match, the tournament is organized by District Football Association Moirang at Moirang Higher Secondary Ground. Now, before we wrap up, the top news headlines once again. JP Nadda elected unopposed as BJP president. Women police officer molested allegedly by Assam Rifles men in Manipur. And 12 political parties in Manipur set to join 10-day nationwide anti-CAA movement. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.